How to make classic egg drop soup, a simple healing recipe. Egg drop soup, a comforting staple of Chinese cuisine, is celebrated for its soothing qualities and easy preparation, often aiding in cold recovery with its warm, nourishing broth. This guide will show you how to make a basic egg drop soup and explore variations to boost its flavor and nutritional content, perfect for both beginners and experienced cooks. For this recipe, the essentials include chicken broth, eggs, scallions, soy sauce, cornstarch, and seasonings, with options to add proteins like chicken or tofu and vegetables for heartiness. Detailed ingredients are provided in both US and metric measurements, ensuring you can easily gather what you need from anywhere. Start by heating the chicken broth in a saucepan, then season with soy sauce, salt, and pepper to taste, adjusting the flavors as needed. To thicken the soup, create a cornstarch slurry with cold water and slowly stir into the simmering broth, preventing clumps for even consistency. Beat the eggs lightly in a bowl, then stir the simmering broth in a circular motion and slowly drizzle in the eggs to form silky strands. Add sliced scallions and any optional ingredients like cooked chicken or vegetables to the soup, warming them through. Finalize the seasoning by tasting and adjusting with additional salt, pepper, or soy sauce to suit your preferences. Serve the soup hot, ensuring each bowl is filled with egg strands and scallions, garnishing with more scallions if desired. Egg drop soup is ideal for cold days or when you need a comforting meal, and it pairs well with spring rolls or a light salad for a fuller meal. Egg drop soup's appeal lies in its simplicity and versatility, making it a nutritious choice for any occasion, easily customized with various add-ins. Experience the comforting warmth and healing properties of classic egg drop soup, and enjoy a dish that soothes both soul and palate.